So guys, we're down in our next spot down in County Meath, and this is Dowth Hill. This is what it's called. It has a few passage graves in the hills, and I'm just going to show you one here now. We're walking down into it. Now, as you can see, they're closed off, but that's what they look like on the inside. I'd love to be able to get in there now. So I'm going to come back out of here and then see what other footage I can get. And what I will definitely do is throw the drone in the air and see what it's like from the air, okay? So I've just come up out of that little tunnel there, and there seems to be another little one here as well. Now, I don't know how I'm going to get the footage in there, but it's too deep, you can't actually see anything in. I'm just going to try and turn the phone around, okay guys? Hopefully it doesn't fall down in there. But there's what it says on the wall there. So yeah, just going to walk around this whole hill and see what kind of footage we can get for you, okay? And there's my son up the top there. He likes his old photography, so hopefully he takes after his dad. So yeah, here's the next little small passage into it. And there you go there, guys. I should have brought my big torch down. I would have been able to shine it right in there. So this is the next little spot. We're at the coming around the opposite side of it. Now they have all of this fenced off. I don't know why.